Hey guys, my name is Switchblade and I just got my ears pierced, as you can tell, and I had just dyed my hair black even though it already was black, but it got me thinking, I'm really edgy. Like, I am so edgy, it's not even funny. Like, you don't understand. Like, back in my MySpace days, I had like 10,000 friends, and everyone wanted to be one of the top people on my page, but I only let the cool kids do it. So since I'm so full of myself and you guys love me, I'm gonna tell you how edgy I am and how you could be edgy too. One thing that makes me edgy is I have a lot of band posters on my wall. I listen to a lot of death metal bands like Pierce the Veil and Black Veil Brides and Falling in Reverse, because I listen to that edgy death metal stuff. And as you can see, I have huge plugs in my ears. They're 16 gauge. Unlike some people can't even go that big because their ears will like fall off. Sorry, my hair is like all messed up. Another thing that makes me edgy is my Lord and Savior Marilyn Manson is on my wall, and he is the king of being edgy.
Foo lame shit, I ain't with it. I sent some shots at your fitted.
And yeah, so another thing that makes me edgy is I play guitar. Got it from Walmart for like 10, 20 bucks. And I can play songs like that one song by that one band that's like and yeah, so like another thing that makes me edgy is a lot of people don't believe it, but yeah, I'm only like 17 and I got a tattoo. It's an X because I'm edgy. So like, yeah. Another thing that makes me edgy is my hair. I like to flip it because like it shows how masculine and edgy I am. Another thing that makes me edgy is I have all black clothes, and like black is like the color of my soul because I have an edgy soul and it's very black and edgy. Another thing that makes me edgy is I have a lighter. And also, to top all my edginess off, I vape a lot. Like, I am such a good vaper. Like, I don't have a vape right now because like I got grounded for vaping and they took my vape away, so like I don't have a vape anymore. Another thing that makes me edgy is I drink a lot of Monster. And like people are like, dude, you're gonna die from all the edgy. And I'm like, no, cause like why would I die? I don't have a soul or a heart, because I'm so edgy that my heart just like went away, and I can drink as much Monster as I want because I'm so edgy. I also have this thing, and that also makes me very edgy because it has a chain, and like I can put it in my pocket because I shop at like Spencer's and Hot Topic, and like yeah, so if you see me there, just say what up, Switchblade, and I'll roar at you. And I also have really edgy pajamas. Look how edgy that is. That is just so edgy. I just found these things on my floor, and I am honestly, I reached the maximum edginess. That edginess is like up there, cause like the edginess is great, and I maxed out on edginess. And like yeah, I'm also really edgy because I like to paint my nails black, and that makes me super edgy. I also got this really cool belt. I got it in like 2007, but like I'm trying to bring the edgy style back, so just, you know, just makes me more edgy. So like a lot of people are like, oh my god, you're not edgy, you're just a faggot. And I'm like, how can I be a faggot when I'm super cool and edgy? And they're like, go back to 2007. And I'm just like, why would I go back to 2007? I mean, now is like cool, you know? Like, why would I go to an odd number? I can't even, so what makes you think I'm gonna odd? And you guys have to like understand that like if you hate on me, it'll only make me famous, just like BOTF. Like haters make people famous, and like yeah, so you know, I'll be famous because you guys hate on me. So like yeah, make sure you subscribe and like check out the other videos on this channel. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below, say "Rawr, we want more." Like yeah, so make sure you like this video and like subscribe or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go cut my wrists and black my eyes, so like bye.